Assalamu alaikum. Good day to everyone. I am really glad to get the opportunity to say something about my daily activities or what I do every day. Thank you, sir, for giving me this nice floor. I'm Moniya Akter Munni and I'm a student of BSc in Nursing first year at College of Nursing, 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐡, Dhaka. Well, to make the best use of time, everybody should have a daily routine of work which helps a man to do everything in time. As I am a student, I do some activities according. First of all, I usually get up at about 6 am in the morning. After getting up, I go to the washroom, brush my teeth, freshen up myself and take ablution. After that, I perform my Fajr prayer and recite the Holy Quran. Finishing recitation, I regularly take some morning exercises which keep me fit and feel energetic. And then I have shower and go to the dining room to have my breakfast. After having breakfast and completing all of this, I get ready to go to my college. My classes usually starts at about 8 am, so I always try my best to reach in time. And then when the classes starts and the teacher takes the classes, then I always remain attentive to their lectures, write down some notes and ask some topic related questions, which really helps me a lot. Overall, I enjoy the classes very much. After finishing the classes, I go back to my room. Then I freshen up myself and prepare myself for my Juhur Salat. And then after my reciting or saying Juhur Salat, I go to the dining room and have my lunch. After having lunch, I take some rest or have a little nap. During Asr Azan, I wake up and then I offer my Asr prayer or Asr Salat. After praying or saying my Asr Salat, then I use my phone and sometimes I talk to my family using phone. And in the evening, when it was time to Maghrib, I take some snacks and also perform my Maghrib prayer. After that, I always go to my reading table and study until it's time to dinner. At 9 p.m. I take my dinner and then I go to the room and then I also read some storybooks or use phones. And finally, when it was time to sleep, I go to bed and make my bed. Oh, one thing is that before going to bed, I always check the class routines and pack the bag for my next classes and also set the alarm. And finally, I go to bed to have a sound sleep. That's all about me for the time being. Thanks for your listening and also pardon my mistakes. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.